Hi, I'm your friend Arunpana. Today we are going to see about one of the most mysterious person in the whole world, French astrologer and future predictor Nostradamus. But wait, why are we seeing about him? What did he predict actually? We are going to see about that in this video. To everyone's surprise, he was actually a doctor. He was giving medicines to the people of his town during plague epidemic. But after that, he took a break for a month. And then he was working something for day and night in a isolated room. It is said that after that 1 month break, he started to write his predictions in the famous newspaper of that town, and that's actually a French town. The people saw that his predictions becoming true, which were published in that newspaper. The newspaper was a great hit, and people started buying the newspaper frequently, and the newspaper owner got a lot of profit out of it. And the news that the Nostradamus predictions becoming true reached the royal family of the France. So the queen and the king made Nostradamus to stay in their palace, and he started to work as the royal astrologer there. But one fine day, he actually escaped from the palace. But why? Because he predicted that the King Henry II is going to die. Nostradamus wrote a book called The Prophecies, where he gave all his predictions about the future. Now let's see the list of predictions made by him. Number 1. The Great Fire of London, 1666. 1/3 of the whole London was burnt. 1 lakh people were made homeless. It was caused due to the mistake of a baker. Number 2. French Revolution, 1789. King Louis XVI was executed by the people. Bastille Fort was stormed by the people. Ancient regime came to an end after this revolution. Radical social and political change took place. Number 3. Birth of Adolf Hitler, 1889. He was born in a very poor family who became the German dictator and led Nazi army. Number 4. Death of King Henry II. Number 5. Achievements of Louis Pasteur. He discovered the principle of vaccine and saved crores and crores of people. Number 6. World War I, 1914. Number 7. World War II, 1939. The war lasted from 1939 to 1945. It involved the vast majority of the world's countries. Number 8. Nuclear bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, 1945. USA dropped 2 nuclear weapons on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The bombs killed about 3 lakh people. Number 9. Assassination of US President John F. Kennedy, 1963. He was assassinated by Oswald at Dallas on 22nd November. Number 10. Twin Tower Attack, 2001. On September 11, Al-Qaeda terrorists attacked 4 different places of USA with 4 hijacked aeroplanes. Number 11. Death of Princess Diana, 1997. She, the Princess of Wales, died in a fatal car crash in Paris on 31st August 1997. Many conspiracies revolve around her death with the involvement of British royal family. Number 12. Rise of Napoleon Bonaparte. French political leader Napoleon led several successful wars. He was from a normal family and thus doesn't belong to royal race. Okay, the list goes on. Wait, did he predict the coronavirus pandemic? That's your question and I know that. Yes, he successfully predicted the coronavirus pandemic too. Number 13. COVID-19 pandemic, 2020. It's the ongoing global pandemic caused by coronavirus originated from Wuhan, China. Number 14. Decolonization and decline of British Empire 1945. At its peak, Britain ruled today's regions of USA, Canada, Mexico, Central America, parts of Brazil, Australia, India, Pakistan, Iran, Afghanistan, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, New Zealand, Indonesia, Thailand, China, Malaysia, Iraq, Congo, South Africa, Ethiopia, Somalia, Kenya, Egypt, Sudan, Nigeria, Peru, Bangladesh, Ireland, Oman, Yemen, etc. Due to several freedom movements and Second World War, Britain lost all its territories. Number 15. First African American President, Barack Obama, 2009. He became the 44th President of USA and was considered to be the best president in USA history. Number 16. TikTok and its influence, 2016. Sounds crazy, right? Did he talk about TikTok? Yes, he has even talked about TikTok in his prophecies, that many people will be influenced by it and they will be wasting time in TikTok. I don't mean to say that they are wasting time, but he has said something like that in that prophecies. Number 17. Indian Independence, 1947. Series of historic events took place for 100 years to end British Raj in India. The movement was led primarily by the Indian National Congress under the leadership of Father of the Nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Number 18. Funniest President of the US history, Donald Trump, 2021. His ideologies about coronavirus, climate change and his actions towards the end of the US presidential elections 2021 made him the funniest president of US history. Number 19. Global warming and climate change, 21st century. Rapid industrialization, urbanization, mismanagement of plastic, non-renewable fuels, deforestation and multi-level pollution has resulted in this condition. Number 20. Land, air, water pollution and reduced human health conditions, 21st century. We must take initiatives to protect our nature and in turn ourselves. Number 21. Concept of sustainability, 21st century. Sustainability is the practice of using resources responsibly so that we can support both present and future generations. He even talks about the climate change, global warming and the environmental pollution. He says that it is the human activities which have caused these problems and the human species actually know the solution to it, but they won't implement it properly. This in turn will have a great impact on the nature, the animals, plants, and in turn will affect the humans too. Number 22. World run by social media. He says that people would fully depend on social media. Without it, nothing could happen. Number 23. Social media changes human behavior. It may be surprising that he talks about social media long back. Many people claim that it is a false prediction. The upcoming predictions made by Nostradamus is actually full of negative thoughts. Future predictions made by him. Number 1. Birth of Kalki Avatar in India. Number 2. Increased environmental damages. Number 3. Asteroid crash on Earth. Number 4. Solar storm. Number 5. Zombie apocalypse. Number 6. Great global famine. Number 7. Cyber war. Number 8. World War III. Number 9. Unseen great earthquakes. Many claim that all his predictions are imaginative, coincident, fake and false. It's your own wish to believe it or not. But me personally, I don't believe any of these predictions. And all those might be a coincidence because he gave all his predictions in form of puzzles. And when we solve that puzzle, we get the information which he is going to convey. So, I say that whatever he predicted is not actually what he predicted because he might have said something else, but we must have decoded it in a wrong way too. So we can't say that all his predictions are true and whatever he said will be occurring in future. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Like the video, share it, and also comment your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe the channel Mixture of Content.